Welcome to Tooltech Geek. This is a highly rated Amazon multi-tool that's also very heavy, one of the heaviest I've seen. Where's all that weight coming from? I'm gonna take it apart to find out. So I start trying to open those pivots. However, some of them are not easy to open. How to open them? Solution I found was to file the sides, and that worked. Now taking all the different implements out. Now I organize them a little bit in different types of parts, and I'm gonna start weighing by category. Start adding up the numbers, calculating percentage of the total weight. Let's see now, what does it all add up to? The tools are 30%, so that's the biggest fraction, so that's good. The scales are also like 20.4%, that's a lot. The pliers 18.3%. Next is the frame at 16.7%. The locks 8.2, pivots 5%, washers 0.8, others 0.81. So the answer was that a lot of that weight comes from the scales. I guess if we replace those, this will be a much lighter tool. Thank you for watching.